What's up, guys? So today I'm going to take you guys dashing with me so you guys can get a feel of, how DoorDash or even Uber works if I decide to turn that on, Uber Eats. But right now I'm really focusing on DoorDash. But I'm going to bring you guys along with me. You guys can see the orders that I get. I'll put the place that I'm going, how much it's paying, and all of that. All right, and how far I got to drive. All right, so first stop, we got a McDonald's order. It's paying $11. Just dropped that McDonald's order off, $11.50, ching ching. All right, so next we have a Angelina's Cafe, and it's a two-part order. It's Angelina's Cafe and a CVS. And it's paying $9.25. We'll see what they get. Just picked up Angelina Cafes. The person just wanted a little muffin, and now I'm heading to CVS. All right, guys, so I just picked up the CVS. It was basically like beauty products and stuff. It had maybe 7 items on it. And now I'm on the way to drop that off. I'm probably about 8 minutes away. All right, so I just dropped that off, and instantly you see we got a McDonald's that just popped up. It was $6 and something, I think $6.25. But yeah, that's where we're headed now. Yeah, so I just checked. It was actually $6.50. Short myself 25 cents. But we're headed out.
In 300 feet, turn right onto Robin Lane.
All right, so I just got the McDonald's order. When I got in there, it was a lot of people in there, so I didn't know how long it was gonna take. But luckily, the order came pretty quick. So now I'm 4 minutes away, about to drop this off. Easy $6.50. All right, so I just dropped the McDonald's off, and we're about getting close to the hour mark, and I'm roughly around, what is that, 27.25. So we're gonna do a little bit more today, bring you guys along. Our goal is right around $50, and for this video. But let's see what we get next. All right, so next we got a Sheets and a Food Line. It's like a double pickup. I didn't really pay attention to how many items in the Food Line it was. That's one thing I try to make sure that I focus on. So just a quick tip. Always look at the item amount, but I clicked it a little too quick. But I did see that it was 6 miles away. It's gonna take me 2 miles to get there, and then so once I pick up everything, in total it'll be 6 miles. So this isn't bad, and it was $8, and I think it was $8.69. So let's see what all they get. All right, so here at Food Line, I think I got maybe 4 items. I'll show you guys what I got to pick up, then head over to Sheets, and that should already be done. All right, so just grab the Food Line item.
Drive south.
Real quick.
Then turn.
And now the Sheets is 2 minutes away, right down the street. It's not really that far. See what they get there. All right, so this particular dash, it was actually 2 places, but then also 2 customers. The Sheets order, you can see I just dropped off, it was 2 smoothies, and now I'm dropping off the Food Line order that I just picked, which is 5 minutes away. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. So next we have a Taco Bell and Dollar General forgot what it was. I think it's like $8 or something. I'll see once I drop it off how much it is. It's like 8 something, almost 9. Okay, so it's $8 flat. I just saw it. So it's $8 flat. Now I gotta head right, less than, it's walking distance away, at Dollar General to pick some items up. Don't know how many items just yet. All right, so I see Dollar General. We only have one item. Looks like some shampoo. Easy, go in and grab. Then we're gonna drop the product and food off. All right, about to drop this order off. They're like 1 mile away, so it's pretty quick. All right, so I just dropped that off. That was $8. See what we get next. All right, so as you guys see, that customer just gave an additional $8 tip.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Moser Street.
So that was a plus. So that made that whole little order there $16. So great. All right, and now I have a 2 customer order from the same place, 2 drops offs. All right, so we're here at Rise and Shine Diner, and we got 2 orders to pick up. Drop those off. It's like $11 or something. I clicked it pretty quick. Sometimes when I come here, it's a little bit of a wait time waiting on the food, but we'll see how it is today. Today is a great day because instantly when I walk in, the guy has both of them in his hand, both orders. We're ready to go. Drop off. Right, so I just dropped that $11 order off, and instantly someone gave me a $2 tip, so that made that $13. And then right then, a McDonald's order of $7 popped up, so we're about to go grab that. Yeah, so right now we're roughly at around $64 and some change. We've been doing it about 2 hours, and we're grabbing this $7 order, and I only have to drive like 4 miles. I was like a mile away, a mile and a half away from McDonald's, and so when I drop it off, I'll only have to go about what's that, 2 hours and a half? 2 hours, 2 miles and a half to drop it off. So we should be pretty good. This is a pretty good $7 order from McDonald's. If when I get there everything is smooth. All right, guys, so I finished up dashing for today. We did it for a little over 2 hours, about 2 hours and 30 minutes. And we're at $71.94. Already out and about now, so we're gonna head by Walmart, do some extra little shopping and whatnot. But if you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to me, like, send me a comment. We'll do it again.